Hi, congratulations on receiving your Get Glowing kit. My name's Rochelle and I'm one of the therapists here, and I just wanted to take you through the products and explain how to use each of them. So we've first got the ASAP Daily Facial Cleanser. So this is your cleanser for morning and night. Just pop a little bit into the hands, emulsify it with water, massage over the face and then rinse with lukewarm water. Then we have the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. So this is an exfoliating powder which you use in the shower, just half a teaspoon into the hand, add a little bit of water, emulsify into a paste, then massage all over the face and then rinse away with water. This can be used daily or you can use it 3 to 4 times a week. Then we have the Clarity Peptides from Medicate. So this is a serum with a high percentage of niacinamide in it, so it's very healing on the skin. You would use this every morning and night after cleansing and before using any moisturising products. Then we have a little sample of the Melon Recovery from Mesoestetic. So this is really great if your skin's feeling a little bit sensitive, a bit dry. You can just pop this on after your Clarity Peptide serum. Then we have the ASAP Moisturising Daily Defense. So this is a daily moisturiser for the daytime as it contains an SPF in there. So you would use this after the Clarity Peptides and then if you have put on the Melon Recovery, you put it on top of the Melon Recovery. Then we have the Aspect Probiotic Mask. So this is a treatment mask. It helps balance out the skin and you would use this probably once to twice a week. Apply it on the skin, leave it on for about 20 minutes and then rinse away and then apply your normal serums and moisturisers afterwards. So I hope you enjoy your Get Glowing kit, and if you would like any more information, please reach out to us via our website.